But first, here's what's hot, brought to you by JMMB Group, your best interest at heart. The Jamaica Stock Exchange has suspended trading of iCreate shares for at least 1 month. According to a notice from the JSE, trading of iCreate shares will be suspended until the company publishes its audited financial statements. iCreate said its audited financials, which were due in April, were delayed because of its acquisition of Visual Vibe. The company said it intends to publish its audited results by September 30. The news comes just days after founder and CEO Tyrone Wilson announced that he would be stepping down from his role. Jamaica's unemployment rate fell to a historic low 4.5% recently. According to the Statistical Institute of Jamaica, as of April 2023, there were 1,373,800 people in the labor force, up 1.7% from April last year. Statin said the lower unemployment rate was mostly attributed to more women joining the labor force. The agency noted that the real estate and other business services industry, which includes the fast-growing BPO sector, was one of the top industries hiring females. VM customers will now have to pay a fee when they use non-VM ABMs and point-of-sales machines. The bank said withdrawals at non-VM ABMs will attract a $51 fee, while point-of-sale transactions will charge a fee of $11.50. The fees will take effect on October 1. VM customers have been able to conduct these transactions for free for years. However, the company said it can no longer absorb the costs of the transactions. Manufacturing and distribution company Derrimon Trading reported record-breaking revenues of $9.5 billion for the 6 months ended June 30, 2023. According to Derrimon, the recently acquired Spicy Hill Farms and Arosa Limited and a new supermarket location in Clarendon were the biggest contributors to the group's results. Retail sales spiked in the United States last month as inflation in the country began to cool. The US sales report showed an almost 1% in sales increase for July. Online shopping sales rose 2%, while sporting goods and food services sales rose 1.5%. US inflation slowed to 3% in June after raising to a 40-year high of 9.1% in June 2022. What's Hot was brought to you by JMMB Group, your best interest at heart.